There are two versions of replace method in Java. So the idea of replace is that it constructs new string after replacing all occurrences of a specific character. So essentially we say, okay, which character to replace with the new character. And the second version of replace is searching for old substring and replaces it with new substring. And the idea is the same, to just construct brand new string, do the replacements, and then return the result, which generates a new copy of the string. So let's see how we could implement this. Let's start with the version for individual characters. Basically take old character, replace with new character. So one possibility could be something like this. So this replace takes old character right here, and so what we're doing is that we're constructing first. We already know that we will have to generate brand new string. So we will, this is why we need to allocate brand new string by using the new operator. And so we're calling the new operator, and of course we're specifying what our string length is, +1 to reserve space for 0 terminating character, null character at the end. And so we store it as a temporary pointer to this new block of characters. Then what we do is that we copy from our own data, we copy everything into the brand new allocated string. So now the new we have brand new copy right here, right? So as a result of this string copy, so we take our string view holds reference to old string, and now we construct new block of characters identical to this in size, like this. So that's the result of new. So new returns pointer to this new block, and string copy copies every character over from old block to new block. Okay, so we have a brand new copy. And with this brand new copy, what we do is that we say, okay, let's we construct another pointer, pointer to old string. That's what I call it. And so we start from the beginning of the string. Okay, so we have this newly constructed string with all of these characters. Okay, so it's just a block of characters. And of course, temp points to the beginning. And at the beginning, we also create this pold pointer to old character. And we make it point to the same beginning of the string, because we just assign it from ptemp. And we say, as long as the reference pold is not null, of course, we have this 0 terminating character at the end, right? So this is 0 character at the very end. So at the end of this loop, when pold will be finding the 0, the loop will terminate, because it will no longer be non-zero after we dereference pold. So here, when we dereference pold, of course, dereference pold gives us access to the actual character at this beginning position, and we examine it. So we say, if this compares to old character, right? So if this old character is the one that we want to replace, we simply store here new character, right? So if this is an old character, we replace it with new character, and so the new character gets replaced. If it's not the same as the one that we have to replace, the old character, we just leave it alone, and we continue our loop, and we increment pold. So pold moves to the next character, right? Because we incremented, and now we're going to work with the next character in this string and do the same thing. Compare it with old. If it's equals, then we're going to replace it, and so forth, and we're just going to continue, and eventually pold, this pointer that we create at the beginning of this loop, will find the null terminating character. Dereference null terminating character will return 0, and 0 is not true, so this is condition of the loop, right? So this 0 terminating null character will terminate this loop, and we get out of here. So when we get out of the loop, we're going to populate, so this is our brand new copy. So we're just going to create brand new string as requested, and set both of these values, and you know that the string is holding and managing dynamically allocated string of characters. So when a destructor on this brand new string will be invoked, it will deallocate this block of characters, because our destructor somewhere here will deallocate the string, right? So the string will be deallocated after destructor is invoked. So this is the version of replace for single characters. So this is a little bit of preparation right here, a little bit of work to do the replacement, and then finalize the work by creating brand new string and return it back to the caller.